Let's all smell a little bit of the garlic too. Yeah, it smells good. Does it smell spicy? Is it kind of strong? Yeah.
Do you smell it? Also have stuffy nose.
Yeah, it's kind of spicy. That's right. That's right.
Yummy.
But when you mix it with other things, it tastes really good. I'm gonna smash it. Everybody see? I smashed it all up. Whoa! Smashed it up. All right, and we'll put a little bit of salt in here, and we're gonna make a little bit of a paste. We're gonna make a little paste.
I love salt in my eggs.
Yeah.
I got it. I got it too. I got
Just one each.
it. Very big.
All right, does everybody got one? Okay, everybody has one? Okay, so I need everyone to put your basil leaf inside the bowl.
Tastes good.
Make a basket.
Everyone's gonna put their basil leaf inside the bowl. Whoops.
But how would you do that?
There we go, one more. Okay, so do you guys remember how we can make delicious food in this bowl?
I don't know.
By smashing,
gonna
right?
do?
What
I'm
did
gonna
you
smash
just do
it.
with the garlic?
Really great. So we're gonna smash this up some
I got
more.
small leaf too.
Yeah.
I got olive oil. I had tried olive oil.
Yeah, the last ingredient's olive oil. So we're gonna add the olive oil in here. You have, I bet some of you have. So here's what we're gonna do. Everyone's gonna get a chance to pick a vegetable and dip it in the pesto, and then we're gonna eat it.
I want to eat a vegetable without a peel.
I think you should try the Just put a little teeny tiny bit on it. If you don't like it, you can turn it over and eat the other end of the carrots.
Yep.
Man, that's really good.
What do you think, Ter?
Colin, did you
Is it
try
as
it?
good as Terry Perry pie?
Okay, turn it over. If you've already eaten barf of your carrot, please turn over the part that you did not eat.
You are gonna like that.
Okay.
Try some.
Delicious.
Grazie.
All right, did everybody get to try some?
Vegetables.
Here, I'll eat.
Here, there
There,
you go.
good.
Yeah, all right.
Oh,
That's awesome.
nice. We have our hero of the day.
Yay! So, I have a question for everyone. What sense are we using when we taste our vegetables?
Mouth.
That's right, we're using our mouth because we're using our sense of taste. And how are you holding your vegetables?
Our mouth and our teeth.
And your teeth, that's right. And how are you holding your vegetables?
Hands.
With your hands, that's right, you're using your sense of touch. And how are you looking at the sauce right now? That's right, you're using your sense of sight. Yeah. And then what happens when we're making the pesto? Can you guys hear that? Yeah, I'm using my hands too. That's my sense of touch. But do you guys hear that sound?
It's like a knocking.
We're hearing
Yeah, that
it, right?
knocking sound, that smashing sound. That's right. That's your sense of what? That's right, your
Very
sense
good.
of hearing. That's right. Very good. Very good. All right, friends. Everyone did a really great job today, and I'm really proud of you for tasting some new vegetables and this new sauce. Do you guys remember what the sauce is called?
Pesto.
That's right. Very good.